Greetings, adventure lovers. We're Roger and Brenda, and Ride Ohio is our passion project where we share our motorcycle experiences. Every mile on the road tells a story.
We had not been on a real road trip in a couple of years, so we decided it was time to get back on the bikes and head west. This trip took us across the Southwest, through some incredible places, a little Las Vegas chaos, and a whole lot of open road. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're taking you along on our Southwest road trip across the United States. It had been a couple years since our last long ride, and we were ready to get out, put some miles behind us, and make a few memories along the way. I was riding my Fat Boy, my wife Brenda was on her Street Glide, and my brother-in-law came along on his Honda Goldwing. 3 bikes, a long route, and plenty of stories waiting for us out west. Our plan was simple: head toward the southwest and hit some of the places we had always wanted to see. We made our way to the Grand Canyon, stopped at the Four Corners, rolled into Las Vegas, and even crossed the border into California. On the way back, we took the long route through Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. It was a lot of miles, but that's what made it special. Sometimes the best part of a trip is not just where you stop, but everything you see between stops. As always, I was on my Fat Boy. I'll be honest, I can tell I'm getting old, especially after long days in the saddle. But there's still nothing like riding across the country and watching the scenery change mile by mile. Brenda handled her Street Glide like a champ, and my brother-in-law's Goldwing was right there with us. Every stop gave us a chance to stretch, laugh a little, talk about the ride, and get ready for the next leg. The Grand Canyon was one of those stops that makes you just stand there for a minute. Pictures never really do it justice. Four Corners was another cool stop, especially knowing we were standing where 4 states come together. Then there was Las Vegas. We had a great time, saw the sights, and yes, we lost a little money, but that's Vegas. We also got to stop by the Pawn Stars shop from the History Channel, which was a fun little bonus along the way. Coming home, we made our way through Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. By then, we had seen deserts, mountains, city lights, small towns, and miles of highway. It was one of those trips where you come back tired, but in the best way. The bikes had some miles on them, we had stories to tell, and the memories were worth every stop. That's our Southwest road trip. The Grand Canyon, Four Corners, Las Vegas, California, and the long ride back home all made this one we will not forget. It was not just about the destinations. It was about the ride, the people, and the memories we made along the way. If you enjoyed riding along with us, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us about your favorite road trip destination. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.